To add a category to an email, select an email, right-click, and go to Categorize. If you've never used categories before, then the default will be named after different colors. As you can see, I've already started to set categories, so mine are named something different. To modify your categories, go to All Categories. As you can see from here, we can create a new one, set the name, choose a color, and if you like, you can set a shortcut key. When you're done, push OK to create the category. You can also choose to rename a category. So this becomes editable now. Or you can delete a category. Since we're going to use categories for actionable emails, we need to create different categories for different kinds of actions. When we create categories, we're going to number them. This way they arrange themselves in the order of priority. As we start to work through our to-do list, we can follow the order we set here when we created the category. When you're done managing your categories, push OK.